All right, guys, welcome back. Finally, I just waited. I've been saying I'm gonna get a new GoPro, but I waited. And surprisingly, I was gonna get myself the new GoPro, but my girlfriend got me the new Hero Black 12 for my birthday. Man, dude, I haven't even set it up yet. Comes with 2 batteries, the selfie stick or whatever you want to call this, head mount. That'd be badass once I do car vlogging. That would be so cool. Can't wait to do that. Game with 2 batteries, but I'm gonna go to the store real quick. I wish I could put it on right now, but I can't. I'm gonna go to the store, get a new memory chip, SD card, and I need I think I need one of these new mic adapters, because I don't want a lot of wiring around my helmet. So yeah, man, hopefully this will make the content cool for my YouTube channel. I know I'm not the best, but yeah, I got the new GoPro. Came with a case too, so I love that. So I'm gonna go right to the store real quick. Weather is great. It's literally February, middle of February, and it's 60 degrees outside. Can't believe it. That's crazy as hell. Never before. And then next Tuesday is 70 degrees, so that's when I want to really ride the bike and test it. So let's go to the store. Yeah. All right here at Micro Center, they got a bunch of stuff, bro. They got like phone mounts, camera mounts, speakers, adapters, microphones. Got it here for a whole podcast. I think this is way better than like Best Buy, in my opinion. So we're trying to find an adapter for the helmet, which they say they had in stock, but I don't know. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. The Media Mod. Hero 11 black, Hero 10, and Hero 9. Obviously, it's the same size for the 12. $80. Sheesh. Yeah, it's crazy because in the website they only had one. Right here they have 2. Then they got the light mode. Light mod. Oh, that's just the adapter mod. What I need is this. I removed this one so I can get the one in the back, and it's busted. Let me get this one right here. Looks legit. Alright, let me just take this. I'm picky like that because the box is broken. I keep the boxes, bro. I have a little container that I just keep it just in case. Warranty. Got the Hero 11 Mini, the new 12, 11. They have the Insta 360 times 3 for $450. They got the Mini. I think that's next. That's the next investment, saving for that. Look at the 12 Hero Black for $600. She got me the starter pack, so they only have. She got me that one right there. Sweet, man. No, she didn't. That's just the box. I got the case, the kit. She came in clutch. All right, guys, got it. I'm just trying to see if they have a little thing for the microphone. Damn, look at these gaming chairs. These things are crazy. Got a Ferrari steering wheel for $458. Another Ferrari steering wheel. Another Ferrari steering wheel. Jesus. That is sick. Look at this steering wheel. That is crazy. Yeah, they got a 6-speed gearbox. There's a whole nother level right here, man. All right. Here it is. I didn't do a video of me installing it or doing a opening on the box. There's a bunch of videos out there for that. But got the media mod. This is how the helmet's looking so far. It looks way cleaner now. Let me focus that for you guys. It looks way cleaner, I think, in my opinion. I don't have that big brick to connect it. Obviously, the media mod already has a connected there. The only thing I don't like is this right here. I'm gonna go try it out. Weather's still good out here. Weather is immaculate right now. It's probably like 54 out there right now. But I removed everything from inside, so it's less wiring than I had. No more wiring here. I had a whole little bunch of wiring just wrapped around this tie. So what I have now is just a GoPro 12 Hero Black, Media Mod, this mic adapter from Power the Wise, I think that's that called. Power the Wise. I'm gonna try it out. I got the mic in there. I'm gonna go for a ride real quick. See if I can hear any tapping from my previous motovlog videos. Other than that, I might have to change this or just go Bluetooth, because these new GoPros have Bluetooth now, so that's cool. And I just added this. I didn't want to keep it in the box. So chin mounts, go get your chin mount from chinmounts.com. That came super clutch. And that's about it, man. That's all I have for now for this. Just gotta see how the video quality and the sound sounds like, and keep trying my best like I used to. And the only thing I do need is a wide lens now and ND filters, which you can get some. But look at that. It's cleaner, way cleaner. And to be honest, man, I'm vlogging out of my iPhone. I've been thinking of buying a legit camera. I don't know if I want to take this serious because YouTube's being so sensitive, and you got to be careful what you put on there, man. It's pretty much stupid how YouTube is changing the game. I'm like, right now I was watching a vlog and dude can't even go fast anymore because they'll drop his video. Ain't that some shit? But yeah, man, it's it. And to be honest, bro, I want to do something different with the helmet, man. I don't know. What should you think? Should I keep the stickers or remove them? Or should I paint the helmet? Wrap the helmet? I don't know. Dip it in something. But I want to take these off and make it into this color. But I don't know. I don't want to buy another helmet. I want to have a collection of helmets, which will be cool. But right now, money-wise, it's kind of tight right now, man. I got that right there. That's sick. But yeah, man, comment down below. What do you guys think? Like and subscribe, man. Your boy's out here trying. Right now, I'm about to upload another video.